hello everyone. It's the savior of after-school snacks and late-night leftovers. The best microwave is a kitchen hero. Many households use their microwaves every day to solve kitchen problems quickly and easily, like forgetting to defrost frozen meat or coffee gone cold. We spoke to 2 experts and put 5 of the best microwaves through a series of tests, including the industry-standard marshmallow test to evaluate hot spots. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which topics you'd like to see in our next video. Number 5. Breville. The CombiWave 3-in-1 combines an air fryer, convection oven and microwave in one appliance to create delicious, healthier meals for every cooking occasions. Create crunchy, crispy golden French fries with the air fry function. Enjoy family favorites such as roast chicken or gooey chocolate brownies with the convection oven function. Or defrost delicious soup and reheat your lasagna with the inverter microwave function. Enjoy crispy golden results and many more delicious meals when using the air fry and bake functions. The Fast Combi function is designed to cook your favorite dishes faster, combining convection oven, grilling and microwave to achieve the desired temperature and perfect results faster than traditional ovens. The Cook from Frozen function is designed to achieve perfectly cooked results from frozen. The function uses the convection oven, grill and microwave at different cooking stages. Number 4. Nostalgia. With a beautiful and sleek retro design, this microwave is sure to stand out in any kitchen. It features 12 pre-programmed cooking settings and a bright LED display, making usability simple. 5 power levels and 700 watts of power are perfect for reheating leftovers or cooking food. At 0.7 cubic foot, this microwave provides the cooking power needed to quickly cook and reheat foods. 12 pre-programmed cooking settings, delay timer and express cooking provide options for the optimal heating of popular foods like popcorn, pizza, potatoes, veggies and more. Easy to read LED display lights up the digital clock and highlights each cooking setting. Rotating glass carousel helps cook food evenly. Number 3. Black Decker. Air fry technology, deep fried taste without the fat. This innovative cooking method surrounds food with high-intensity hot air to bake, brown, and crisp your favorite foods using little to no oil. Choose from 5 available cooking methods: bake, broil, toast, keep warm, and air fry. This large capacity toaster oven fits 6 slices of bread or a 12 pizza. The 60-minute precision timer features stay-on functionality for long baking tasks. The bake function lets you make pizzas, frozen snacks, and so much more. It's great for reheating leftovers without turning on the big oven. Number 2. Gallant's. Gallant's 0.7 QFT countertop microwave makes cooking and reheating meals or beverages simple, quick, and convenient. With adjustable power levels, defrost program, and weight, this microwave oven offers a variety of choices to complete your cooking tasks. Adjustable power levels makes cooking and reheating meals or beverages simple, quick, and convenient. 360 degrees rotation of glass turntable helps food cook more evenly. Lock the control panel using the child safety lock option to prevent accidental use or access by children. The fun retro design brings a look and feel of the fabulous old days, adding style but still function in your modern kitchen. It is a fun and stylish addition to any kitchen, rec room, home office, or dorm room. Number 1. Mainstays. The Mainstays 0.7 QFT 700-watt compact countertop microwave oven is available in 3 colors including black, red, or white. Each color is designed to complement your kitchen, dorm room, office, or rec room. Features include LED display, kitchen timer and clock, 6 convenient quick-set menu buttons, 10 different power levels for cooking a variety of foods, child safety lockout, weight and time defrost, and a 30-second one-touch option. The Mainstays 0.7 QFT 700-watt compact countertop microwave oven is the perfect addition to any home. Build your kitchen from the ground up with all the cookware, bakeware, tools, dinnerware, and other items you need to create a useful cooking and dining arrangement. The Mainstays Kitchen Collection focuses on colorful and decorative design applied to simple basics, keeping your daily life vibrant and efficient. that just finished our video which one your favorite. Why not? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoy the video, give us like. If you want to see more high quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight into your mailbox. That way you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.